Explosive. West Coast shit, my niggerish ways attract girls that used to turn me back, causing me to yank they arm and pose like I would do them all. Now I'm saying thank you cause they tell me my shit's the bomb. Explosive. For my niggas drinking cognac, smoking weed, always packed, more than one firearm, chrome rims, rhino, chronic in your system, let me know my shit's the bomb. Explosive.
West Coast shit, nigga, overdosage, imperial pistols, ferocious. Fuck a bitch, don't tease, bitch, strip tease, bitch. Eat a bowl of these, bitch, gobble a dick. Ain't got to eat a dick and shut the fuck up. Gargle and swallow a nut up, shut up and get my cash. Backhanded, pimp slap backwards and left stranded. Just pop your collar, pimp convention hoes for $1. 6 deuce in the plush, 6 deuce in Impala. Pimpin' hoes from Texas to Guatemala. Bitch niggas pay for hoes, just to lay with hoes. Relax one night and pay to stay with hoes. Captain save them all day. Well say this dick, bitch nigga. You more of a bitch than a bitch. You ain't into hitting pussy or hitting the switch. You into hitting bitches off of the grip, you punk bitch.
All my real dogs still kicking with me. All my down hoes still tricking with me. All the true gangsters know they ain't never loved no hoe. All the hood rats still shaking for me. All my true fans still checking for me. All the real smokers know they ain't passing nothing but dope and D. Real trees, chronic leaves, no seeds. When I met you last night, baby, before
c'est pratique,
I blew your mind.